This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
How to install the Dyson Pure Cool plugin on HOOBS. First, we need to log out of the app, so open up your Dyson app. Then click the three bars on the top left, click on My Account, and then click on Log Out. We're going to go to the plugin page. Then we want to search for the Dyson Pure Cool plugin. Then we will click on the logo of the plugin. Next, click Install. When the pop-up page appears, we will want to click Install again. Once the plugin has been installed, we are going to click on Configuration. Next, we want to set the update interval. We're going to set it to 60,000. And we will be setting the port number at 48,000. Then click Save. Then we'll be going to a web browser and going to hoobs.local:48,000/step2-2fa. And we will want to copy our serial numbers and credentials to use for the configuration later in the video. Next, we'll be clicking the plus button. This will be adding a new device. For the IP address, you want to type in the IP address of the Dyson fan. Then for the serial number, we're going to copy it from the website that we just opened. And finally, the credentials. Again, we're going to copy the website that we just opened. Then you will make your selections of what features you would like to see on Apple Home. If you have multiple fans you would like to add, click on the plus button and continue with the next fan. After you have set up the rest of your fans, you can scroll down to the bottom and click Advanced, and you will need to set the Fahrenheit for all of your products. To set the Fahrenheit, under your features, click comma, enter, open quotation, use Fahrenheit, close quotation, colon, space, true. If you prefer to use Celsius, instead of saying Fahrenheit true, you would say use Fahrenheit false. Then click Save. Next, we will be adding the bridge to Apple Home. I will be posting a link to that video. This is what it will look like in Apple Home. Also, you can now log back into your Dyson app.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.